Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install MySQL server into your MacBook M1. So the first thing is you just need to open the terminal. So let me just open the Spotlight search. So just type command space and just type terminal to open the terminal and just type MySQL. And if it shows something like zsh command not found, so it means MySQL server is not installed. So I have this zsh as my default shell. So if you are able to see bash here, so I have already got video for how you can set up the MySQL server onto your bash, so you can just check out on the description. So if you have the zsh shell, so I will show you the step-by-step demonstration for how you can install the MySQL. So the first thing is you just need to download the MySQL server. So just go to your favorite browser and search for MySQL server and just go to this first link from dev.mysql.com. So we just want to download for macOS, so just choose that and keep this default and just click on this download here. So you can see the macOS 12, so just click on download. And we don't want to sign up, so let me just click on this no thanks, just start my download. So once this DMG file is downloaded, let me just click on this show in Finder and let me just double click to install this one. So again click on this package, so click on allow and just keep on pressing continue and agree the license agreement and just click on install and enter the password of your Mac and just click on next. So we just want to create the password, just click on next and you just need to give one password. So let me just give my password here and just click on finish and enter the password of your Mac. So you can see the MySQL server has been installed. So let me just click on close and we don't want this DMG file anymore. So let me just click on move to trash. So once this is done, so let me just close this one from here and we just want to configure the path into the zsh or z profile. So for that, just open the terminal and if you just type ls-a, so you can see z profile somewhere around here. So you can see the z profile. So if you are not able to see this z profile, so you can just create this one by just typing touch and just type dot z profile and this should create the z profile. And if you again check, so this should show the z profile in your terminal as well. So I have already got z profile, so I don't need to create it again. So let me just clear this one from here and to open this z profile, just type nano and just type z profile and just click enter. You might not see this kind of lot of text, but in my case it's showing a lot of text. So let me just go at the bottom, so you can just go at the bottom. So inside here, so we just need to add the path of bin of the MySQL install folder. So for that, just click at the outside here and you will be able to see the Finder and just click on this go and at the bottom you can see the go to folder. So just click on that and just type /usr, so this will show the user. So just click enter and inside local, so just go inside local. So you can see the MySQL 8.0.29 has been installed inside here. So let me just click inside and let me just copy the path of bin. So for copying the path of bin, you can just right click and you just need to press the option command. So just press an option, so this will show the copy bin as path name. So just click on that, so this will copy the path and again go to this z profile on the nano and you just need to type export and just type path in capital letter and just give equals dollar and open the curly brace, just type path, close the curly brace and just type command and B to paste that path. So you can see this is showing the bin path here and we just need to save this one. So for that, just type control, not command, just type control and O. So this will write and just click enter and you just need to type control and X to close this one. Just type control and X, so this will close this one. And if you just type cat and just type dot z profile, so at the bottom you can see the MySQL path has been added successfully. So let me just quit the terminal and also quit this one. Again open the terminal and if I just now type MySQL -u root -p and if I just type the password which I have set in while installing the MySQL, so I'll just type the password. So you can see the MySQL has been successfully opened. So to re-verify where it has been started, so let me just click on this Apple sign, and let me just click on this system preferences, and at the bottom, so you can see the MySQL. So you can see the MySQL instances has been started here. So to create the database, so I can just go in the terminal and just type create database demo and just click enter. So you can see the one row affected. So let me just type so databases. So you can see the demo database has been created, and now you can just use the demo database. So you can just create the table. So this is how you install the MySQL server into your MacBook M1. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, be sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one.